When I began my digital transformation journey, everyone was curious. They asked, why go further when you have cutting-edge technology at your disposal? Is it just for better connectivity? The reason was clear to me. Despite all the technological advancements, my decision-making process was still manual. It was cumbersome, constantly switching between systems like ERP, MES, and manual processes. Instead of making informed decisions, we ended up making tired ones. I felt the need for change. Upon deeper investigation, we identified the core issue. Despite significant investments, our operations were still disconnected. Data silos were scattered everywhere. Our ERP, MES, HRMS systems were not integrated at all. Over 80% of our data stemmed from manual activities, and it seemed nobody was addressing it. People were occupied with transferring data from one system to another and endlessly waiting on WhatsApp for rewards and responses. This issue was prevalent across all departments. While departments were functioning, the collaboration was severely lacking. For true intelligence, every process needed to be interconnected. We discovered a 43% loss in opportunities due to waiting times, skill gaps, equipment failures, and miscommunication, all of which were rooted in our traditional processes. Our vision was clear: to establish a system where decisions were not driven by fatigue, but by informed choices, enabling us to always opt for the best. It became apparent that all factory processes needed to coexist under one unified system: IT, training, production, quality, safety, maintenance, utility, and store. We aimed for a single, consistent interface to minimize training needs and maximize agility. As our journey continued, our system needed to evolve to incorporate new definitions, support new processes, and adapt them dynamically. We built that adaptable digital framework. Initially, created a digital framework for all decision-making processes, whether managing a breakdown, handling daily safety compliances, or following quality protocols. We developed a digital wireframe for every process, integrating it with our machinery so that these decision or response trees could also be triggered by third-party systems. We integrated this framework with our ERP system to replace broken processes. Previously, we manually extracted data from the ERP, processed it, and re-entered it. Now, AI-based predictions and suggestions can trigger these workflows, acting as a response mechanism. Our goal was to make processes intelligent, transforming them into applications linked to frontline users. This enabled live activity tracking and real-time actions without delays, eliminating waiting-related inefficiencies. The platform captures 100% of the information. Our control tower provides a 360-degree view of the factory. In this control tower, we don't just monitor equipment health and performance metrics. It intelligently mines data, benchmarking different performance KPIs, and identifying assets that don't meet these benchmarks. It highlights the bottlenecks. This system helps us understand bottlenecks not only at the factory level, but also at the stage level. For example, it identifies stages within a production line that hinder growth, indicating where modifications can be made. Every factory action is consolidated into a single environment. We don't just rely on real-time analytics, but also forecast future scenarios. The system identifies equipment that might be operational now, but is at risk of imminent breakdown. It suggests advancing scheduled maintenance based on advanced intelligence derived from various databases, sensor data, energy sources, or coolant parameters. The system captures every detail, standardizes quality processes, identifies non-compliances and bottlenecks, and provides real-time warehouse visibility. It shows material availability, warns about low stock levels, and identifies production risks due to material shortages. If data becomes overwhelming, an AI-based control interface allows for real-time interaction with the data. You can interact with the data, receiving real-time responses. Even if you run out of questions, the system anticipates potential next actions, offering guidance without prompting. It aids in optimization and provides real-time financial impact assessments of decisions. It also offers predictions. The system identifies upcoming anomalies. Over the past year, we have saved millions of dollars by following these instructions, whether by reducing tool finding times or meeting durations. Additionally, the system categorizes these insights neatly for deeper exploration. It evaluates ease of deployment, potential financial outcomes, and confidence in these outcomes. Overall, the system's monitoring of current operations helps us improve our future. We can prioritize suggestions based on company objectives, focusing on quality, cost reduction, or sustainability. Whatever the organization's current preference, we can target those priorities instead of merely ensuring compliance. Our efforts have gone beyond immediate efficiencies, saving millions and automating decisions. We've built evolving decision trees, reducing fatigue on the shop floor and boosting productivity. In the world of manufacturing, the speed at which data flows directly influences how quickly decisions can be made. When all systems work together seamlessly, transformation doesn't just become a possibility, it becomes an inevitability.
DFOS, disrupt without disruption.